What's up, guys? It's AbeltonsAutoHaus. We're here to show you a 2013 Ford Focus Strut, and we're gonna get right into it.
Subscribe and hit that notification bell and smack that like button.
Alright, we're gonna show the people at home that we have to do safety first. So boys, show them what we gotta do.
First, put your gloves on.
Put your gloves on, that's right. Safety first. Gotta make sure our hands stay nice and clean and non-contaminated from greases and detergents.
Got it on.
Got them on?
Yep.
Max, you got yours on? Start the work.
I don't have my gloves on.
Alright, Abel, show us what we're gonna need for the job.
We're gonna need
What is that? It's a ratchet?
A ratchet.
With an Allen key.
Yep. There's the Allen key.
5mm Allen key.
Got it.
And what is that?
Oh, this is a 5mm.
That's a 5mm Allen key?
Yeah. This one.
Max, what do you got?
Right here. A little screwdriver. And it's a magnet. And it's a magnet. Stick it to metal. Stick it to the metal. No, right here. Right here. Right here. Right here.
Okay. Abel, what wrench do we got there? 15mm?
Yep.
Alright, so we got a 15mm wrench. We got a hammer to hammer out the strut. We got some grease, preferably tune-up grease, some dielectric grease. And we have a
Daddy's poison.
half-inch ratchet and another ratchet. So we pretty much got all the tools we need here to do the job, so let's get right to it. So we're ready to take off the bolt, able to switch the ratchet to off. Alright, Abel, go ahead and put the ratchet onto the bolt back here on the back side.
I turned it. I got on. Dad.
Okay. You're on it?
Yep, Dad.
Alright, now we're going to use our strength
Dad, I turned it off. I turned it on.
and break it loose.
I turned it break it loose. Yeah. Let me help you. Yeah. So powerful.
Good.
You're so powerful with your foot.
You get it?
We're doing it.
That needs to put a little strength into it for you.
Yeah.
You're going to preferably want a pretty good size breaker bar for this because this bolt is in there pretty good. So let's loosen that up. We got it almost all loose.
Guys, this is still again we showed you earlier.
Alright. Now go ahead and put the socket on.
Got the socket.
Go ahead. Put the socket on.
I put it on. I should turn. I turned it off. All right, go.
Alright. Go ahead, Abel. Very good.
There's 2 hours going at it. Oh. You hear that?
You getting it?
Yeah, I don't want to like push too far where it pops off. Daddy is recording. Hey, Dad, look over here. There it is.
That's why it didn't want to come out. It was all rusty and everything.
Let's go get the spray.
Okay. Now. So right now, Maddox is loosening
Oh my god. I think
the actual sway bar end link. Go ahead, Maddox, loosen it off. Take it all the way off. Take it off with your hand now.
No, it's not.
Here, let's see.
Whoa. Max, you did it. And I did it? Yeah, look.
It's off.
You did it, Max.
Good job,
High
Maddox.
five. High five, Max. Hey.
Alright, Abel, go ahead. Now Abel's taking off the brake line bolt.
Got it. Got it. coming. Wait for it. Wait for it. It's coming. Wait.
Good job.
I think I can just twist it.
There you go. Where are you going?
No!
Alright, well.
Unnecessary. But I got the bolt.
Alright. Got the bolt out, Abel?
Yep.
Good job. Alright. So, Abel, show them what you got there. We have a spreader tool, so it opens it up so we can get the actual strut out. So, I'll show you how that works. So right now we're putting the spreader tool in. And what that does is that frees up the strut so it can move. See how it moves?
Yep.
And that will basically free it up so you can get it out of its spot. Alright, so now we're going to go up here and we're going to loosen up the bolts up here. And that's going to drop the strut down. So Abel, go ahead and hold that. Is it out?
Yep. For sure.
Pick it up. There we go. Now we're going to apply some tune-up grease. You can use wheel bearing grease or any kind of lubricating grease, but I like tune-up grease because it works the best. So we only need a little bit, and you're just gonna put it on the surface here to help the new one go in place. Go ahead and install the new one. Right down the spot because we greased it up and cleaned it up nice, and that spreader tool helps a lot too. Alright, so we got the new hardware in here. We got the new strut in here. Everything's back together, all tightened. And that's it, boys. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Peace.
Please subscribe.
Peace.